On the occasion of One Mohatsav Week, plantation drive was carried out at Bokajan and Chinthong. Also, free saplings was distributed on this occasion. Under the supervision of Vaisong Terang, Forest Ranger of Umjakini Forest Range, Chinthong, Amri, and Nixon Ronghang, Forest Ranger of Bokajan East Division Forest Range, along with their department officials, successfully observed One Mahotsav Week, which was commenced from 1st July to 7 July 2022. It was reported that thousands of saplings were planted throughout the regions with the help of students, local communities, and all the officials of Forest Department. Free saplings were also distributed among the public and students from various schools. Short program on the awareness on conservation of forest resources was also organized at the event. Some of the plants that were planted during this festival were Poma, Ajahar, Titacha, and Gamari. The festival was observed peacefully and successfully. Hemari Rongpar and Anand Terang's report from Chinthong and Bokajan, Karbiang Longlai.